Hello everyone, this is Derek and today we are going to listen about arrays and strings. So arrays in C++ is basically a collection of elements of the same data type placed in contiguous memory locations that can be individually referenced by using an index. So for example, we can have an array of any data type, but the array which will be created will have all the same data types. And so the benefit of having an array is that we can save a lot of time, like for creating, if you want to create 100 variables. So by individually creating different variable names, it is easier to just type, for example, an array of integer data type, int, ar, and in the bracket we just need to specify the size. That means this this line will create 5 data types of integer and we can access them using the index values which starts from 0 to n minus 1. So here it will be 0 to 4. So we can access it using AR of, like I want to access the second element, so AR of 1. So we can do anything. We can do equal to 5, or we can store values or read the values from there. So now we are going to see an example of an odd even function that counts the number of odd numbers and even numbers. So here first we are getting the size from the user of the array, and then we are making a array of size n of integer data type. So in a for loop we are having a variable I, and it will go to I smaller than n, that is n minus 1. So it will traverse from the beginning to the end of the array, and meanwhile it will accept the values for all the indexes, and then it is doing modular division, and if it is 0 then the even variable is incremented, else the odd variable is incremented. So then we can have odd and even numbers. So this is how an array is used. So there are different types of methods, like not types, methods for initializing an array. So we can initialize an array by taking input from the user, like here we are taking using a for loop, and for manually putting the inputs or initializing the array, we can do, like for example, int array of like this, and equal to, inside curly braces we can put elements 1, 2, 5, 7, etc. So how many we want we can put. There's no fixed size. Like how much you put, that much will be the size of the array. So this is one method. And to initialize the values to 0 of the array, like if we are having an array of size 5, to initialize the values, we can just put a 0 here. So all the elements inside the array will be initialized to 0. So this is the way. Now we come to strings. So a string data type is basically a array of characters. So to declare a string, we can use a character variable like char, str, and of size 10. So this is a string which can be initialized to anything. This is a one type to use strings, and then other in C++ we have a class named strings, so that we can use strings as a data type and directly str. So to use this we need to include iostream, and then uh, so now if you want you can use string and str equal to the so this code will print string value. So this is how strings is done. Thank you.